Hi everyone, now we are going to make sambar. So I have pounded a bunch of garlic, adding into the oil. Once it is hot, put it in the simmer. I have added dry red chilies, mustard seeds I am adding now, some fenugreek seeds, 2-3 exactly 4 corns of pepper and little bit cumin seeds, adding curry leaves, these are the ingredients. This is Kalyana Sambar. Especially in marriages they serve this sambar. So it's named as like Kalyanam in Tamil. That is means marriage. Kalyana Sambar. So now I am going to add this except tomato. Now I have added all the vegetables that I have prepared for this sambar. I have added turmeric powder, asafoetida, salt. Now I am going to shallow fry it. All these vegetables. I have added the vegetables: cucumber, radish, carrot, drumstick, and brinjal split like this, split into 4. I have also added green chilies and mango. Now I am closing with the lid. Let's prepare for dal. So for dal I have added 3 varieties of dal. This is moong dal, this is masoor dal, and this is tur dal. Now we are going to wash this and then put it on the stove to cook. Now I have washed it and kept it on the stove for cooking the dal, and also simultaneously kept a vessel with full of water. This is Manjira tap water. Throughout the Hyderabad we can use this for cooking. In our area this water is purest, so that we can use it. Otherwise it's your choice, you can use drinking water. Let's see. Let's stir the vegetables. Now itself I am getting nice aroma, nice flavor is there. Mostly whenever we cook sambar, we prepare sambar at home. Minimum 2 to 3 vegetables will be added for that sambar. So many vegetables, it is Kalyana Sambar. Even we can add bottle gourd, we can add pumpkin. As per the vegetables added into it, the taste will also differ. I have added 1 carrot, 1 cucumber, 4 to 5 brinjals, 1 drumstick, and half of mango for tanginess. I did not add, usually I don't prefer adding tamarind or jaggery. So as we have added sambar, the onions, baby onions, here is specially meant for sambar. It's locally called as sambar onions, sambar vengayam in Tamil, and sambar ullipailu in Telugu. So you can get these baby onions. So it gives good taste for sambar especially. So I have added this. So the natural sweetness is here, so no need to add sugar or jaggery. Generally some of them like adding jaggery or sugar into the sambar. So as we have natural sweetness here, carrot and onions, if we add more onions, we have sweetness in the dish. So again we will rest it, covering the lid. So after once the water is boiled, we will pour this water into the vegetables so that it will cook fastly. And it will, when we add hot water to which is already this, we have put the vegetables to cook. So if we add hot water, it will be staying for for so many hours, fresh taste. No need to reheat again and again. So I am cooking now. So once the boil comes, we'll just leave a drop of oil and then close the lid. So now the boil has come, so I have added some oil so it doesn't overflow or pressure coming like this. I just rotate it. Let's add little bit of turmeric powder. Already have added 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 ice cream spoon of turmeric powder into the vegetables. So I am just adding some. You can have it as a pinch of turmeric powder. See, you can see the boil. I am just stirring it, and now I am putting it in simmer, closing it with the lid. Now you have to wait. Now again I am putting it in a full flame. Now we have to wait until you get the, turning the lid like this, it will catch the pressure. You can see it's overflowing. So as it overflowed, I have cleaned it. I have shifted the vessel to another stove. So now I have put it in the simmer. 4 different flames I have. This is full flame, high flame and big burner, and this is full simmer. I couldn't even look at the flame. So like this, 2 pressures have come. I have shifted the boiling water into another. So here also natural water from vegetables. You can see the water generated here. You can see the change of color in the vegetables. So it shows that it's cooked. Third pressure is also done. I am switching off the dal container. Now we will add tomatoes chopped like this, tomato wedges chopped like this, and again mix well so that it will get equal chance to cook with all the vegetables and mix with the vegetable flavor and tanginess. Again we'll close the lid. You can see now tomatoes are cooked. You can see the peel coming off. Okay, so it indicates that tomato is got cooked and water is also boiled. Now we'll pour this water into vegetables. Remaining left to cook will be cooked. Pour this water. You can leave some water. From morning to night dinner you can plan with all the different varieties, and you can also have this sambar with rice. So all the three meals can be planned with this sambar. Now again we'll close the lid and let it boil. So I have covered this with a lid. It's in a simmer only. And simultaneously we are going to prepare pongal, kattu pongal. The pongal is it's a hot pongal. So 1 handful of moong dal, 1 handful of rice. Let's wash this. Now I have washed it well. I always collect the washed water, keep it aside like this so that I can use for watering plants regularly, because once we water it, it will fill into the plate and it will take some time to get the nutrients transferred into the sand, the soil. So now we are making pongal. So the how much water you have to add, dip your finger like this, just up to this mark you have to add the water. Now we are going to add all the ingredients. One pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, pink salt. Usually we use pink salt. Let's add pepper. This is pepper powder and curry leaves chopped. You can chop it finely also. I have just chopped it randomly. Let's add cumin seeds. 1/2 spoon of cumin seeds. You have to add all the ingredients as per the quantity of the pongal preparation, dal and rice. So I have I have grated ginger finely, up to 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. I'm adding it. Let's add chilies. So only I have taken only 2 full green chilies. I have just breaked it into some pieces. Already we have added pepper, ginger, so all those spiciness also is there. So 2 chilies is much enough. So I'm covering the lid. So I have covered the lid and it's in a full flame. Now let's open this. The dal is ready. Let's mix this with sambar. You can see the dal is cooked. So again we'll add the salt into it, some salt, and then we will mash it nicely with dal masher. So I have mashed it well and I have added the leftover hot water into it. Now let's add this to the vegetables. You can see vegetable is cooked. And I'm adding the dal into it. And let me stir it. Few vegetables still are uncooked also will be cooked with this, and with the dal mixing and all the ingredients mix. Now we'll add red chili powder, a full spoon to this quantity. And stir this well. See, you have got an look. We have got a nice color. So we will leave this to boil, as we have added dal into it. I'm keeping it in a high flame to get a boil. I'm keeping this ladle in this itself and covering it with a lid so that it will not overflow. So once it's getting a full boil, I'll get to know. Now itself we can see little bit will getting a boil. So we'll leave the lid like this. Now just for a minute. So I have again turned it into simmer. Let's clean this with some water and pour it into the sambar. I have added that water. So now we are getting this boil. Vegetables are cooked. Only this cucumber is left to get cooked. All the other vegetables are cooked. Even drumstick also, you can see it's cooked. Rest it for some time. So simultaneously we were preparing pongal also, cut pongal. So now this 3 pressure is done with it. Still it has a pressure. So for some more time I am cooking it. with Pongal and Sambar, like idli sambar we have heard a lot times. Then Pongal Sambar is also nice combination. Okay, this flame is this one is high flame, this is little bit high flame, and then third one is this flame, and fourth one is this flame. Simmer also not much difference. If even I have kept it simmer also, not much difference. High also, only some flame. So we can look it into the cooking variety, and then we can switch to the flames another stove. So now let's check the sambar. So now it's cooked. Let's add nicely cleaned and chopped coriander leaves. And the sambar is ready. And so a secret ingredient is left to add. That secret ingredient I will show you. That is nothing but ghee. So why we add ghee in the sense, this is leftover ghee. So I have shaked it well, the leftover ghee with the hot sambar. I'm just pouring it in. Because no other way we could use the leftover ghee. Now it is finely used. Nothing is left. Ghee left to the bottle. And now I am going to add a fresh spoon of ghee into it. That's it. Just stir it. Stir it well. So why do we add ghee? In the sense, for taste will also enhance, and this consistency will not get thick. It will be like this only, in this consistency. Now don't lose the flavor, covering it with the lid. And let's prepare for pongal. Simultaneously we were making. You can see pongal is ready. Just we have to season it with ghee and adding cashews into it. Let's season it. So I have added 1 spoon of oil, tablespoon of oil, 1 spoon of ghee. Now I am going to add cashews. Fry the cashews until it get brown. With this spatula. It got brown color. Now I am going to shift it into for seasoning. So mix it well. So I have mixed it well. So come on, let's plate it. So I have plated it. So to mix this well with sambar, and we can have this. So I have plated it. So it's ready to consume. Hot pongal with sambar, kalyana sambar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. See you again.